Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix if you have an exclamation mark on one of the apps in the app list on the start menu. So this is a pretty tame bug to fix. What you have to do is open the start menu, and if you've got the app pinned to the start menu, click it, or if it's in the apps list, go to the apps list and then click the app. When you click the app, you should see this message on your screen that says this app can't open. In some cases, you might not see this message. So if you do get this message, what you should do is click See in Store. This is going to take you to the Microsoft Store, and the store is going to give you an option to reinstall the app. Click the reinstall button and wait for the app to be reinstalled. Now, in my case, it didn't really fix the problem. And if you have the same case, what you should do is, again, go to the Start menu and right-click the app. From the context menu, select the Uninstall option, and this is going to uninstall the app. After that, just go to the Microsoft Store app and install the app again from there. It should install within a few minutes, and that ought to fix the problem. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.